Imagine being pulled over by a police officer who never sleeps, never gets tired, and can speak 100 languages instantly. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now in Dubai. Welcome to the world's first robot police force. By 2030, Dubai plans to replace 25% of its police force with robots. But how do these machines actually work? What can they do that humans can't? And most importantly, what does this mean for the future of law enforcement worldwide? By 2030, Dubai plans to replace 25% of its police force with robots. But how do these machines actually work? What can they do that humans can't? And most importantly, what does this mean for the future of law enforcement worldwide? Dubai has always been a city of firsts. The tallest building, the largest mall, the most luxurious hotels. But in 2017, they unveiled something the world had never seen before, a fully operational robot police officer patrolling the streets, interacting with citizens and enforcing the law. Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the ruler of Dubai, announced an ambitious goal. By 2030, robot will make up 25% of the police force, not to replace humans entirely, but to create a hybrid force that combines human judgment with robotic efficiency. But why robots? What problem were they trying to solve? Dubai receives over 15 million tourists every year. The population is incredibly diverse, with people speaking dozens of languages. Traditional policing struggle with language barriers, 24/7 availability, and handling repetitive tasks like filing reports or giving directions. The solution? Machines that never tire, never miscommunicate, and are always ready to serve. But before these robots can patrol the streets, they must be built. The manufacturing process begins in specialized robotics facilities, where cutting-edge technology meets precision engineering. Let's step inside one of these factories and see exactly how a robot police officer comes to life. As we enter the facility, the first thing you notice is the sterile, climate-controlled environment. Every surface is white. The air is filtered. Why? Because even a single speck of dust can interfere with the delicate sensors and circuits that will give these robots their abilities. This isn't just manufacturing. This is precision at the highest level. What's fascinating is that robots are building robots. Automated assembly lines, guided by artificial intelligence, handle most of construction. Human engineers oversee the process, but the actual assembly, welding, circuit installation, sensor calibration, is done by machines. This is automation building the future of automation. The design of a robot police officer is critical. It must look approachable, not threatening. The Dubai police robot stands about 5 feet 6 inches tall, roughly the average height of a human. Its body is white with green and gold accents, the colors of Dubai police uniforms. It has a touchscreen chest panel and a friendly, non-threatening face. Every detail is intentional. Construction begins with the frame, the skeleton of the robot. High-grade aluminum alloy is cut, shaped, and assembled. This material is chosen for its strength-to-weight ratio. The robot must be sturdy enough to withstand outdoor conditions, but light enough to move efficiently. Robotic arms precisely weld each joint, ensuring structural integrity. Next comes a mobility system. Most Dubai police robots use a wheel base. 4 high-torque electric motors provide movement. Advanced gyroscopic stabilizers keep the robot balanced even on uneven surfaces. The wheels are made from puncture-resistant rubber, designed to handle Dubai's hot pavement and occasional sand. Powering all this technology is a lithium-ion battery pack, similar to what you find in electric vehicles, but optimized for longer standby time. A single charge allows the robot to operate for up to 8 hours of continuous patrol. Solar panels on the robot's shoulders provide supplemental charging, extending operational time in Dubai's sunny climate. Now comes the nervous system, circuit boards that will process information and control every function. These boards are manufactured in clean rooms and tested multiple times before installation. Robotic arms carefully place each board into the torso cavity, connecting them with fiber optic cables for maximum data transfer speed. A police robot without sensors is just an expensive mannequin. That's why the next step is installing the sensor array. High-definition cameras provide 360-degree vision. LiDAR sensors create real-time 3D maps of the environment. Thermal cameras can detect body heat. Microphone arrays pick up sound from all directions. This robot can see, hear, and sense far beyond human capability. One of the most controversial but powerful features is facial recognition technology. Cameras in the robot's head scan faces in crowds, comparing them against databases of wanted individuals. The system can identify a person in less than 1 second. Privacy advocates have raised concerns, but Dubai argues this technology prevents crime and locates missing persons. Communication is essential for any police officer. The robot is equipped with 4G and 5G modules, allowing it to connect to central command in real time. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enable it to interact with smartphones and other devices. A powerful speaker system projects voice commands, while a touchscreen chest panel provides visual information to citizens. Now we reach the most important component, the artificial intelligence brain. This is where the robot transforms from machine into something that can think, analyze, and make decisions. The AI system is housed in a ruggedized computer the size of a shoebox, but it processes information faster than 100 human brains combined. Before the AI can function in the real world, it must be trained. Engineers feed it millions of scenarios. What does a suspicious person look like? How do you identify an abandoned bag? What's the difference between a tourist asking for help and someone in distress? Machine learning algorithms analyze patterns, building a decision-making framework. One of the robot's superpowers is language. The AI is programmed to understand and speak multiple languages: Arabic, English, Chinese, Russian, Hindi, Urdu, and more. Natural language processing allows it to understand context, not just words. If you ask, "Where's the nearest hospital?" it doesn't just translate. It understands you need medical assistance and responds appropriately. The AI is also programmed with response protocols for different situations. If someone reports a crime, the robot can take a statement, record video evidence, and immediately transmit it to human officers. If someone is lost, it can provide directions using its built-in GPS and mapping system. If it detects a threat, it can alert human backup while monitoring the situation. The touchscreen on the robot's chest is like a portable police station. Citizens can report crimes, pay traffic fines, submit documents, or get information, all without waiting in line at a police station. The interface supports multiple languages and even has accessibility features for visually impaired users. Its convenience meets law enforcement. After assembly, every robot goes through rigorous quality testing. Engineers run diagnostic tests on every sensor, every motor, every circuit. The robot is placed in simulated environments, crowded malls, outdoor heat, nighttime conditions, to ensure it can handle Dubai's real-world challenges. Only robots that pass 100% of tests move forward. Stress testing pushes a robot to its limits. What happens if someone tries to knock it over? Can it handle Dubai's 50 degrees Celsius summer heat? What if its cameras are covered with sand during a desert storm? Engineers create these scenarios deliberately. Any weakness discovered here means the robot goes back for modification. Like your smartphone, these robots receive regular software updates. New crime patterns emerge. Languages evolve. Laws change. The AI must adapt. Engineers can update the robot's programming remotely, adding new features or improving existing ones without physical modifications. This keeps the robot force current and effective. The final inspection is performed by senior engineers. They verify that every component meets Dubai police specifications. The robot must move smoothly, respond accurately, and interact naturally with people. Paint finish, decal placement, even the tone of the robot's voice. Everything is checked. Perfection is the standard. Once approved, the robot receives its official designation and is registered in Dubai police systems. It's assigned a patrol zone, usually high-traffic tourist areas like malls, beaches, or the Burj Khalifa district. Human officers are trained to work alongside it, understanding its capabilities and limitations. Imagine the robot's first day. It rolls into Dubai Mall, one of the busiest shopping centers on Earth. Thousands of people pass by. Some are curious. Some are skeptical. Children approach first. They're not afraid. The robot greets them in their language, answers questions, takes selfies. Within hours, it's a celebrity. but it's also working, scanning crowds, monitoring security cameras, standing ready. So what can these robots actually do? They can file police reports and issue fines for minor infractions. They can provide directions and tourist information in multiple languages. They can detect suspicious behavior using AI pattern recognition. They can live stream video to human officers during incidents. They can even carry small items for injured or elderly citizens. But let's be clear about what they can't do. Robot police cannot make arrests. They cannot use force. They cannot chase criminals. They cannot make judgment calls in complex ethical situations. They are designed to assist, not replace. For actual law enforcement, arrests, investigations, crisis response, human officers are still essential. This brings us to the most important point: human-robot collaboration. The goal was never full automation. It was enhancement. Human officers bring intuition, empathy, and moral judgment. Robots bring tireless service, instant data access, and multilingual communication. Together, they create a more effective police force than either could alone. Human officers initially had concerns. Would they lose their jobs? Would the public trust robots over humans? But after working alongside the robots, opinions changed. Officers found that robots handled the boring, repetitive tasks, filing reports, answering the same tourist questions hundreds of times, freeing them for actual police work. Job satisfaction actually increased. Public reaction has been overwhelmingly positive. Tourists love interacting with the robots. It's a unique Dubai experience. Residents appreciate the 24/7 availability and language support. Crime reporting increased because people found it less intimidating to report minor incidents to a robot than to approach a human officer. The technology removed social barriers. The numbers speak for themselves. Since deployment, response times for information requests dropped by 60%. Tourist satisfaction scores increased. The robots handle over 2,000 interactions per day across all units. They've helped locate dozens of lost children and confused tourists. They've reported hundreds of abandoned bags and suspicious items to human officers. Let's talk economics. Each robot costs approximately $200,000 to manufacture and deploy. That sounds expensive, but consider this. A robot works 24/7 without salary, benefits, or vacation. Over a 10-year lifespan, the cost per hour is far lower than human officers. The savings allow Dubai to hire more specialized human officers for complex police work. Let's talk economics. Each robot costs approximately $200,000 to manufacture and deploy. That sounds expensive, but consider this. A robot works 24/7 without salary, benefits, or vacation. Over a 10-year lifespan, the cost per hour is far lower than human officers. The savings allow Dubai to hire more specialized human officers for complex police work. But the technology isn't standing still. Next-generation robots are already in development. Future models will have advanced AI capable of detecting emotional distress, identifying medical emergencies, and even providing first aid. Some prototypes can climb stairs or navigate rough terrain. The wheel-based design may soon give way to bipedal robots that move like humans. With great technology comes great responsibility. Ethical questions surround robot policing. Who's liable if a robot makes a mistake? How do we prevent algorithmic bias in facial recognition? What happens if hackers compromise robot systems? Dubai addresses these concerns through strict regulations, human oversight, and continuous ethical review. The conversation must continue. Privacy is perhaps the biggest concern. These robots collect massive amounts of data: faces, voices, movement patterns. Dubai police states that data is encrypted, stored securely, and only accessed for legitimate law enforcement purposes. Independent audits verify compliance. But critics argue that surveillance capabilities, once created, can be misused. It's a delicate balance. Different cultures will adopt this technology differently. Dubai, with its focus on innovation and efficiency, embrace it quickly. But in societies that prioritize privacy or have distrust authority, adoption may be slower. The technology must adapt to cultural values, not impose a one-size-fits-all solution. Local customization is essential. Police academies are now teaching officers how to work with AI and robots. New recruits learn robotics basics, AI limitations, and collaboration protocols. The police officer of 2030 will need technical skills our grandparents never imagined. But the core mission remains unchanged: protect and serve. Technology is the tool, not the purpose. Some benefits were unexpected. The presence of robots reduced false accusations against human officers. Every interaction is recorded and verifiable. The robots also prove valuable for community engagement. Children who fear police officers find robots approachable. This early positive interaction shapes attitudes toward law enforcement for years to come. Like any technology, robot police require maintenance. Each unit returns to the facility monthly for inspection, cleaning, and repairs. Sensors are calibrated. Software is updated, where components are replaced. A team of technicians works around the clock to keep the robot force operational. Behind every impressive technology is unglamorous but essential maintenance work. Looking ahead, the possibilities are mind-blowing. Imagine robots that can detect lies through micro-expression analysis, drones that work alongside ground robots for aerial surveillance, AI that predicts crime before it happens by analyzing patterns, robots that provide real-time translation during international incidents. These aren't fantasies, they're in development right now. There's even an environmental angle. Robot police are electric, producing zero emissions. Solar panels reduce grid dependency. In a city like Dubai, where air quality is concerned, replacing gasoline-powered patrol cars with electric robots makes a measurable difference. Technology serving both law enforcement and environmental goals simultaneously. Remember that 2030 goal? 25% robot force. Dubai is on track. Currently, robots represent about 5% of police presence. New units are deployed quarterly. By 2026, that number will hit 15%. The infrastructure is in place. The public has accepted it. Barring unforeseen challenges, Dubai will achieve its ambitious vision. You might be thinking, this is interesting, but what does it mean for me? Here's the reality. The technology developed in Dubai will influence law enforcement worldwide. The lessons learned, what works, what doesn't, how to balance efficiency with ethics, will shape policing in your city. This isn't a Dubai story. It's a preview of everyone's future. Robot police are just one example of how AI and automation are transforming every industry. Healthcare, education, transportation, agriculture. No field is untouched. The question isn't whether this transformation will happen. It's how we manage it. Do we embrace innovation while protecting human values? Dubai is trying to show us one possible path. If this glimpse into the future fascinated you, there's so much more to explore. We're creating an entire series on robot factories and future technologies, from automated car manufacturing to AI-powered hospitals to robotic farming. Don't miss the next video where we'll explore something even more incredible. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And drop a comment below. Would you feel safe with a robot police officer in your city? I read every comment, and your perspective matters. Dubai's robot police force represents more than just cool technology. It represents a choice to solve problems through innovation, to embrace the future while respecting the past, to use technology to serve humanity, not replace it. As we stand at the intersection of human judgment and machine efficiency, we have the power to create a future that's safer, smarter, and more inclusive than ever before. The future isn't coming. It's already here. The question is, are we ready to build it together? Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep believing that the future we create can be better than the past we left behind.